Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to download Google Play Store on iPhone. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Before installing Google Play Store on your iPhone, you need to have some settings on your device. So open settings of your iPhone, then go to battery settings. In battery settings, disable low power mode. Now go back and open Safari settings. Scroll down and tap on Advanced. Now disable block all cookies. Now go to home screen and open Safari browser. Here search for appsafe.club and open it. Here you will find Google++. Tap on it. Install Play Store by following on-screen instructions. Now you can see on your screen that in my iPhone Google Play Store has been installed. So in this way you can also install Google Play Store on your iPhone. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments.